Good morning, students. Welcome to Value Education class. Today we will do Unit 2. So please take out your book and open page number 11. Unit 2, Honestly Speaking. Here in this chapter, there are characters, narrator, Gopal, that is the miser, Raju, Gopal's friend, Neela, Raju's wife, village headman. Scene 1. Narrator Gopal the miser lived in a village in Tamil Nadu. He was a very wealthy man, but he did not believe in helping his friends, relatives, or anyone in need. Gopal's wife had a lot of jewels, but he never allowed her to wear them for long. One day it happened that he was carrying 10 gold bangles in his bag and he lost all of them. Gopal to himself, "My God, I have lost 10 gold bangles. I am feeling so miserable. I will go and share my loss with Raju. He is a kind man who will listen to me patiently." Narrator. Meanwhile, Raju's wife Neela had gone to the local shop to get some rice. On the way back, she found 10 gold bangles lying on the road. She picked them up and informed Raju the moment she entered the house. By that time, Gopal had left their house. Raju, "Oh, these bangles must be the ones Gopal lost. I will ask him to collect them." Neela, "Haha. Gopal has so much gold and always says that he doesn't have enough. Now at least he can't say that he is not wealthy." Raju, "It's said that despite being wealthy, he is so unhappy. We are happier with the little we have." Narrator. Gopal the miser thought it was a good chance to blame Raju and get some more gold from him. He thought of a plan to cheat Raju and began counting the gold bangles. Gopal, "Raju, there are only 10 gold bangles, but I lost 20 of them. Please ask your wife to give the other 10 back to me." Raju, "You are lying." Gopal, "You said you lost 10 gold bangles, and we have given all of them to you." Scene 2. Narrator. Gopal went to the village headman and complained about Raju and Neela. The village headman was a wise man. He called the panchayat for a meeting. Raju and his wife were also asked to attend the meeting. The village headman questioned Neela and Gopal again. Village headman. Neela, "How many gold bangles did you find? Tell me the truth." Neela, "Sir, I found 10 gold bangles." Village headman. Gopal, "How many gold bangles did you lose?" "I want the truth." Gopal, "Sir, I told you before that I lost 20 gold bangles." Village headman. "You lost 20 gold bangles and Neela found 10. For now, these gold bangles belong to Neela till someone asks for them. Meanwhile, we will tell people to look out for the 20 bangles that you lost. Whenever we find them, we will give them to you." Narrator. Gopal realized that by lying, he had fallen into his own trap. He admitted to the headman that he had lied about losing 20 gold bangles. The village headman refused to listen to Gopal and the case was closed. All the villagers praised the village headman for his wisdom. They were very happy that Gopal had learned a good lesson and Neela had got the bangles instead. President Abraham Lincoln of America was called Honest Abe. Abraham Lincoln used to manage a country store. He was honest, patient, and served his customers well. One day Lincoln was counting cash late at night. He realized that he had taken a few cents more from a customer by mistake. Lincoln closed the store and walked a long way to return the woman's money. Another time, Lincoln noticed that he had given a woman only 1/4 pound of tea, though she had asked for half pound of tea. He went all the way to give the woman the right amount of tea. Dear students, it's not only outward success that makes people stand out, but their inward honesty. Think a little. Honesty is an important part of your character. Whether a lie is small or big, it is still a lie. If you get comfortable saying a small lie, it will become a habit. Then to cover up one lie, you have to say many lies, and you live with the fear of being caught. If you are honest, your conscience will be clear. You don't have to hide from anyone. Honesty makes you feel good about yourselves and win others' trust too. Dear students, truth is so powerful because it's the only thing that cannot be bought. Dear students, being honest is the most important gift for oneself. But the most important part is to be honest towards yourselves. If you lie to others or even you cheat them, they will not know about it. However, you will know each and everything, so you cannot hide anything to yourselves. A person with honesty is respected by all. It is a quality which helps a person to succeed in life and get much respect. Dear students, the greatest truth is honesty and the greatest falsehood is dishonesty. With this, I wind up. Thank you and have a nice day.